Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you how to log into StudySync and how to work all its tools. It's really easy once you know how to work it. First, you're going to go to connected.mcgraw-hill.com. This will take you to a login page. If you go to Google, you can also just type in Connect Ed and click on the first option. It will take you to the same exact page. Now you want to type in your username and password and click the yellow login button. Now you should be at a page that says My Classes. You can view your active and archived classes. Right below that, you'll see the StudySync logo with California StudySync ELO with ELD. Click that or click Launch. You'll now come to a Connect Ed page with many different options. Right now, we're going to focus on the Launch California StudySync ELA with ELD. You're going to click on the logo. You will now come to a welcome page. At the top, there are 3 tabs: Assignments, Binder, and Library. Once you scroll down, you can see your assigned stories and close reads. We are going to use close read The Hobbit for this example. Once you click, you may be given many options or barely any. Right now we're going to focus on the read portion first. Depending on the story, you may have 3 to 4 tabs in the right-hand corner. You will sometimes have the audio tab, which will read the book out loud to you, the annotation tab, which will show you any of the annotations you have, the view all tab, which will help you view all your annotations, and the Numbers tab, which will show you the numbers of the paragraphs, which is useful when you're doing a close read like this one. For those of you who don't know what annotations are, they are little notes that you can create while reading the story. To make an annotation, you just highlight whatever you'd like to annotate. Once you've highlighted the sentence you like to annotate, or portion of a sentence, a drop-down menu will come up, as we see here. You can just highlight it or type to give it an annotation or note. To highlight, press Create Highlight. But if you'd like to change the color, you can also click here, and it'll give you another drop-down menu with many different colors. To make an annotation, type whatever you'd like. You then come up with a Create Note tab. Once you click that, it'll come up with your highlight, and then once you go over it with your cursor and click, you see the note right here, and then you can also edit it or remove it. This is where the View All tab comes in handy. This is where you can see all of your annotations throughout the entire story, see where it's been modified, and the color of the highlight. Once you're finished reading the story, you may have a lot of annotations or barely any. If the story is a close read, you'll be given a Write tab. Once you click on that, you will be given a prompt to answer in the text box below. You can type your response, and you can also bold the text, italicize the text, underline the text, strike through the text, make a list, make an indentation, and a link. Once you're done, you can submit the assignment. This will submit the assignment, and you will not be able to make any further changes. You can also view the rubric for your close read, and you can also use split screen mode. Once you access to split screen mode, you'll be given all the previous options. You will be able to type your response while being able to access all your annotations and the story. If you'd like to exit split screen mode, just click the split screen mode button and it'll exit you out. You don't end up using the binder or library very often, but just in case, the binder will show you all stories that you have been assigned to read, and then all unsubmitted assignments, who's been assigned by, and the assignment type, and your library just gives you a bunch of stories. Once you're done with StudySync, click your name. It will come up with a drop-down menu, and you can just press the close button. This will take you back to the page you started at. Thank you all for listening, and I hope this video assisted you in navigating StudySync.